Bonjour, bonjour. Alors, une petite vidéo un petit peu différente de l'habitude, mais c'est des vidéos qu'on espère faire un peu plus souvent, au gré de nos rencontres en fait. Et là, donc on est dans la région d'Almeria, dans la province d'Almeria, toujours en Andalousie, dans un très beau parc naturel qui s'appelle Cabo de Gata, où on s'est arrêté dans un petit village, vraiment qu'on a trouvé un peu au hasard parce qu'il y avait une aire justement. Et que on voulait être branché puisqu'on avait toujours des petits problèmes techniques à résoudre. Et donc on a rencontré un couple d'Allemands super sympas et qui sont très intéressants parce qu'ils voyagent avec un lapin. Alors comme ils nous ont dit, on leur dit souvent, mais c'est vrai que pour nous, depuis qu'on est dans le camping-car, c'est vraiment, on a vu des gens avec des chats et des chiens surtout, hein. Mais un lapin, c'est vrai que c'est assez rare. Et en plus, le lapin se balade un petit peu partout. Là, dans l'air, c'est un petit peu la mascotte de tout le monde. Tout le monde vient le voir là, puis il se balade un peu partout. Il fait des allers-retours entre son camping-car et puis le camping-car des autres. Donc c'est assez rigolo. Il s'appelle Max. Et donc les parents de Max, Yvonne et Stefan, vivent aussi sur la route pendant à peu près 6 mois de l'année. Et puis donc l'idée de Finances on the Road, c'est de vous montrer un petit peu les choses qu'on peut faire pour justement vivre en voyageant et travailler en même temps et gagner sa vie. Donc ça, c'est des exemples parfaits de ça. Alors, je vais vous mettre la description en français sur ce qu'ils font parce qu'on a fait la vidéo en anglais. Parce que ils sont allemands et puis ils parlent pas français, et puis bon, mon allemand c'est un peu just, et d'une manière ou d'une autre il a fallu traduire. Donc comme on pouvait pas le faire en français, on l'a fait en anglais. Alors j'espère que certains d'entre vous parlent un peu anglais. Sinon pour le détail de qui ils sont, de leur site, leur Instagram, etc., c'est dans la description. Oubliez pas de regarder ça si ça vous intéresse, c'est des gens très intéressants. Et puis sinon vous pouvez aussi regarder si vous regardez sur YouTube sur un ordinateur, il y a un moyen de mettre les sous-titres sur le petit CC en bas de la vidéo. Et puis après, il y a l'espèce de petit outil là. Si vous cliquez là-dessus, vous pouvez faire une traduction automatique, donc qui vous traduira en français. Et donc ça devrait rendre à peu près bien. J'ai pas trouvé un moyen de le faire sur un téléphone, mais en tout cas sur un ordinateur, c'est possible de faire ça. Donc ça, comme ça, vous pourrez avoir la version en français. Voilà. Hello, welcome in this new video. It's been a little while that we did something just in English for a video that's not a review of a motorhome area. But we want to do more and more of these videos on finances on the road, and maybe they'll be in French, maybe they'll be in English, or maybe sometimes in Spanish or in other languages, who knows. But finances on the road, the idea is to help you find ways to be able to travel and make a living at the same time. So while we were in the region of Almeria in Spain, we met some very interesting people who don't just travel and work in their van for at least 6 months of the year, but they also travel with a rabbit. So we found that just for that, they were very interesting to interview because since we've been traveling, this is definitely the first couple or the first van lifers that we see with rabbits. If you know more, please put it in the commentaries because that's quite interesting. So you'll see that they do some interesting stuff, and that allows them to move away from the cold of Germany during the winter and make a living on the road at the same time. In the description, I'm going to put more of their details of their Instagram and websites and everything if you want to know more about them and get in touch. So that's Stefan and Yvonne and their rabbit that's called Max. So enjoy the video. Ciao. Bonjour, c'est Florence. Hey Max. Hey, you're the only van rabbit I've met. T'es le premier lapin de camping-car. Hein? Oh, dis donc. Oh, Max, il est chez lui, là. Hein? Tu défends ton territoire. He's defending his area. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna do a new type of video, which is really what we want to do more and more in Finances on the Road, because we're called Finances on the Road, and we want to talk about ways to make money while traveling. And we've met these two lovely people who travel and also make a living. So we're gonna start introducing ourselves. What is the name?
Hi, I'm Yvonne.
Hi, my name is Steffen. Hi.
Okay.
Okay. And what do you do?
We travel with our Grand California, and it's called Blauer Horst. And we also have some little companion, and his name is Max. It's a rabbit. He travels with us, and we actually work and travel. I do graphic design, photographing, and I'm an animal and nature communicator.
Okay.
No. And I'm an IT engineer. I work
Okay.
for other companies on the road.
Okay.
And thankful to Corona, it's possible again to work and travel in this job.
Great.
Okay. You can pause.
Okay, I'm gonna continue the interview. I wanted to ask you where you guys from. That's one thing that I did not ask before. Flores didn't ask before. Where are you guys from?
Well, we are from Germany,
Okay,
and we are from the northeast,
okay.
directly from the Baltic Sea. From the town is called Stralsund, and we have quite many tourists during the summer now. Also because of Corona, it grew quite a lot. The visitors grew quite a lot, and the town is actually full, quite full.
Yeah.
Would you like to add something?
No.
I would no, it's okay. And also, for how long have you guys been traveling with the van? What was the name of the van? How do you say
Horst.
it? Horst.
Horst,
Yeah,
yes. It's a very German name.
Yeah, okay.
Well, it was 2020
Okay.
when a friend of ours, she lives also in Andalusia,
great.
sent us a video and said, oh, it's so nice down here. The sun is shining. We are by the sea and we are enjoying it. And we were sitting at home in our hometown and it was freezing. And we were like, oh, we want to go there as well. How could we go there? And do you think this idea could work? And then actually Steffen started to check campers, and then the whole night, the whole weekend, and a few days later, we went to see some campers. We drove through Germany down to the south, and then we found Horst. And yeah, he said, maybe we can just buy him now and take him with us home.
That's great. That's a great story.
Yes. And Steffen was very excited. And we really managed everything at this afternoon to everything
right away,
with the bank, with the insurance
And
stuff.
You had investigated the type of vehicle, like you knew that it was a good type of vehicle.
Yes,
that type?
Steffen. Yes, Steffen did.
Yeah. I know because we also have.
We have a minivan at home, Volkswagen T4, and this, so we are used to travel with the van. But we said if we travel longer, we need a bigger one for a place where we can actually work in it. And then we looked, and prices went to the roof in 2020. This was quite very expensive.
Yeah.
So the first thing we said, let's take a really cheap one for a year or so. That's okay. But the cheap ones are really cheap boxes.
Same thing happened
Yes,
to us.
yes.
Yeah, actually. And then we just looked further, and then we found cars that fits us.
And also with the rabbit was okay, because not every camper is good with traveling with pets. So you need space for them.
That's great.
Yeah.
Very interesting story actually, because many people in those times also were looking, and it seems like in all of these different countries that happened with the campers.
Yes.
Yeah,
They went up.
Yes,
Because France
yes.
also, I hear the same here in Spain,
Yes.
even in the United States, folks, with some people, it's the same thing happened.
Yeah, because many people didn't want to go abroad that time, and they said, what would be the best thing to travel in my country? And then the campers went straight up with the prices.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so I wanted to ask another question also, because you mentioned 2020. So when exactly in 2020 did all that happen?
It was just 1 week before Christmas.
Okay,
actually.
so all right, so it was
Yeah.
when COVID stuff was a little bit better, and then people could move, and so you were able to make it.
Yes, the borders were open, but we went in lockdown again in Germany beginning of November.
Okay.
And we didn't know if they would close the borders by the end of the year, so we were quite in a hurry to get down to Spain.
Right.
And we started on the 29th of December.
Wow.
And we arrived close to Valencia New Year's Eve.
Perfect.
And arrived at some friends and had there a nice New Year's Eve with them.
That's great.
Yes,
That's great.
Yeah.
And
That's
I
great.
guess the last question I wanted to ask is, because you work online, obviously, a lot, what do you do for internet? Like, what do you have technical-wise to...
Yeah, we just use at the moment common cell phone for internet.
Okay.
And in Spain the prices are really cheap, so we pay for 100 gigabyte 20 euros. This is like nothing. This is for a month. This is perfect. And on camper site like this, there's Wi-Fi, mostly free. And if the Wi-Fi is broken, we fix it here. And then
Yes.
They give you a free night or something, so then you fix the Wi-Fi.
Yeah, kind of that, yes.
That's good.
That's great. Yeah.
That's perfect, right?
That's great.
And so, I know you said you don't do it the full year, so do you have to be back in Germany at one point, or is it by choice?
No, we really have to be back.
yeah, we have to be back. Last year we planned for 3 months, but this extends to 6 months. And this year we really planned for April, maybe it will be May.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then let's see, depends on the jobs we have.
Okay.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay. And do you want to keep doing this for a long time?
Yes, I would like to.
Yeah,
It's nice to be somewhere warm in the winter.
Yeah,
It's so nice. Yeah.
I say that too.
Yeah, because you can do stuff outside. You are in nature all the time, and
Yeah.
the rabbit can go outside. So
Yeah.
it's very nice.
And in the
Yeah.
camper van you have every day, every morning a nice new view.
Yeah.
Exactly.
It's great. This is,
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah, so that's
Okay.
we are really enjoying it.
Yeah,
Okay,
that's
good.
great.
Thanks. Well, we're gonna try to look for Max now to introduce him to you as well,
Yes.
because he's really part of the family, right?
Yes.
And
yes.
so, thank you very much. It was really great to meet you, and
Yeah.
hopefully
Thank
we'll
you.
keep in touch. And
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Bye.
You're welcome.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
hey, Max. Ah, I'm going the other way. Oh. Hey, Max too. Oh, he's playing with the cat.
That's not the rabbit.
That's not a rabbit. Hello Max, ça va toi? Bonjour petit chat. Hey Maxou, tu viens?
I wouldn't know how to call for.
Ça va? Ça va Max? Salut. Ça va? Oui. Oui toi?
The longer we stay on one side, okay.
Pauvre petit chat. Oh hello you, little darling. Voilà, donc c'était Max qui, comme vous avez vu, il défend son territoire. Hein, les chats là, ils s'approchaient pas trop. À part que bon bah il y a le petit chat noir là qui déjà lui ont donné un nom, donc je sais pas. Il y a peut-être des chances que ce petit chat il finisse aussi dans la famille, mais on va voir. On sait pas encore. Mais voilà, donc c'était très sympa de les rencontrer. C'était bien de voir des manières de gagner la vie, de gagner sa vie sur la route. J'espère que ça vous inspire et que ça vous aide et que ça vous donne des idées. Comme d'habitude, merci de nous laisser votre avis, un commentaire, et puis n'oubliez pas de vous abonner. Et puis bon, on se retrouve aussi sur Instagram, Finances on the Road et El Boricua Français. Merci beaucoup. Well, thank you for watching this video. As you see, the rabbit Max is fairly protective of his area. He doesn't want just anybody to come in, but you know, maybe he's going to get the little brother with the little black cat. We don't know, but we'll see what happens. But anyway, this is an example of the kind of people that we like to meet, and quite inspiring ways to be able to live on the road and make a living at the same time. Hope this gives you ideas and encourages you to do the same thing. And thank you for watching this video, and we'll see you soon. Ciao, ciao.